Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Motorola Edge 30 Pro. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button here, this one. If you don't have this button here, press to pencil on the bottom, scroll down, find this button on the bottom of this panel, then press and hold like this and drag to top to add this button. So click back to save, and now you add this button here, so press it. Start recording, click start, and now here we got our panel of settings of our screen recorder. So and here we got our sound settings. Here we got microphone, system sound, microphone and system sound, mute, and another option. And if you change this option, for example, your screen recording will be started with this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.